Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a partial seam. That scares some people, but don't worry, it's really quite easy and it will really increase the number of quilts and patterns that you can do and really impress your friends. All of the patterns behind me use the partial seam, and I will put links to each of those patterns in the description below. If you like my videos, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do the partial seam using my Twisted Stars block. That is one of my latest designs. You can find the pattern in McCall's March-April magazine, McCall's Quilting. It's the newest edition if you want to look that up. So what you need are your 4 units that go around your square. All right, and this would be the same if you had a larger square and just rectangles or any of the other designs that you're using. You can also do this with Victoria Finley Wolf's herringbone. There's just so many possibilities that open up when you know how to do a partial seam. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take this square and overlap it here, and we're going to sew about halfway through the square. So it's going to look like this. We've sewn part way to here and left the other side open like this, but when we open it up here we have a seam or a side that's long enough to sew our next piece on. So we're going to flip that over and sew it on. Okay, so our unit looks like this now with this side sewn on, and so now this side is long enough. We're going to just flip this over and we're going to sew along this side. So now our unit looks like this, and we have this side here that's long enough so that we can sew this on here. Now our unit looks like this. Here's our partial seam that we did at the beginning, and we're just going to flip this over and line that up. And I like to sew from where my partial seam out to the edge here. So once you finish that last seam, then you have this cute little twisted star block, or like I said, you could do the herringbone from Victoria Finley Wolf, or this is my Dahlia. It just uses a layer cake. It's very easy around the center square here. And this is my link pattern. It uses a jelly roll and using the same partial seam method. So like I said, knowing this method just opens so many possibilities to you. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye.